Longton is one of the 6 towns which amalgamated to form the county borough of Stoke-on-Trent in 1910. Along with Hanley, Tunstall, Fenton, Burslem and Stoke, the town itself, Longton, or Long Village as it was once known, was a market town in the parish of Stoke in the county of Staffordshire. The town still has a market housed in an attractively renovated market hall. Coal miners in the Hanley and Longton area ignited the 1842 general strike and associated pottery riots. In March 1865, Longton and Lane were incorporated as the borough of Longton. On the 1st of April 1910, the town was federated into the county borough of Stoke-on-Trent. Arnold Bennett referred to Longton as Longshore, one of the 5 towns featured in his novel set in the Staffordshire potteries. The district has a long history as a base for the pottery industry, such as Paragon China and Annesley, and several major manufacturers still have a presence, along with Gladstone Pottery Museum. Roslin Works, which adjoins the latter, is now home to several small-scale manufacturers of ceramics. Florence Colliery, which opened in the 19th century, was one of the pits of the North Staffordshire coalfield. It was connected underground to another pit at Hemheath. It was closed in the 1990s.